Welcome to our channel. If you want to cancel your Spotify Premium subscription and switch back to the free version, follow this quick guide. Step 1. Open the Spotify app on your device or visit the Spotify website and log into your account. Step 2. Click on your profile name in the top right corner and select Account from the drop-down menu. Step 3. Scroll down to the subscription and payment section where you'll find your current plan details. Step 4. Look for the change or cancel option next to your premium subscription. Step 5. Click on Cancel Premium. Spotify may show you offers to keep your subscription at a discounted rate. Step 6. If you still want to cancel, click through any retention offers until you reach the final cancellation page. Step 7. Confirm your cancellation. Note that you'll continue to have premium access until the end of your current billing period. Step 8. Check your email for a cancellation confirmation from Spotify. After your premium period ends, your account will automatically switch to Spotify Free. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.